we are going to be solving standard algorithm, but we're going to be doing it obviously 2 different ways. We're going to do it the old school way, your parents' way, the way I was taught, the way Miss Julie was taught, and then we're going to be doing the new way, which, shocker, is the same way. It's just the way we say it. Our verbiage is a little bit different. Why? There we go again with the answer. Why is there a difference between the old way and the new way? Ibrahim, what is the difference?
Because the old way was never taught why to just place that 0, but the new way was taught why do you have to place that 0.
So you all have learned why this works, where I was never really taught why it worked. My teacher just said, Little Miss Moore, at the time before I was married, they said, Little Miss Moore, just do it. And I said, yes ma'am, because I didn't want to get in trouble. But I want you to be smarter than that, so we are teaching you why. So let's do a problem, and we're going to do 62 multiplied by 41, and we're going to do it the old school way. The old way, the way I was taught. Sophia, what am I going to do first?
You're going to do 2 times 1.
Yep, just the 1 times 2, and I'm going to get a 2. What am I going to do next, Sophia?
You're going to do 1 times 6.
1 times 6, and I'm going to get
6.
6. Who can help me with step 2? Nolan.
You're just going to place a 0.
Yeah, I'm just going to put a 0 there,
And then
because that's what my teacher told me to do.
Then do 4 times 2.
4 times 2 is
8.
8, and 4 times 6 is... Anyone?
24.
24. And then I'm going to add them up. So 2 plus 0,
2.
6 plus 8.
14.
What am I doing?
Carry the 1.
Carry the 1. I'm going to carry it over. 4 plus 1.
5.
And then 2 plus nothing.
2.
So I'm going to get 2,542. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. Let's do it the new and improved standard algorithm, but is really any of the math any different? No. So this is not new math. Math doesn't change. We're just going to explain a little bit deeper as we're working why this works. So again, we're going to do 62 multiplied by 41. And I need someone to help walk me through this and really use the correct verbiage on this one, okay? Madison, what am I doing first?
First, you multiply the 2 by the 1.
Yes, I'm going to multiply the 2, 2 different ones places, and I'm going to get 1 times 2, which is what, Madison?
2.
2. So we multiplied those 2, and we got a 2. All right. Step 2. Emma?
You do 60 times 1.
We're going to do 1 times, what did you say?
60.
1 times 60, because why?
Because it's in the tens place.
Right, the 6 is really worth, the value of the 6 is really worth 60. So what is 1 times 60?
60.
60. Okay, so I'm going to put it here, and really, the ones digit would be a 0, but because I already have something in the ones digit, I can't get rid of it, right?
Yeah.
So that's why this is in the tens place value and not, again, in the ones place value, because it is really worth 60. So I know that 1 times 62 is equal to 62. Okay. The next step is, who's can walk me through that one? Mace, walk me through that one.
And then you want to do 4 times 2.
What is it?
Huh?
What?
40 times 2.
Say that again, louder.
40 times 2.
Oh, 40 times 2. So this is not a 4? What? Well, I mean, it looks like a 4 to me. Why is that not a 4?
Base 10.
Oh, so it's in the, he said it's base 10, so it's in the tens place, right?
Yeah.
So the 4 is really worth 40. So what is 40 times 2?
80.
80. So I can even write that down. So 40 times 2, we multiplied the 2 digits that we know, and we got an 8. But really, we know that there was something in the ones place value, so we have to move over to the tens, so we can place a 0 there. So it was an 80. So I'm going to go ahead and put an 80. That is a big difference from this to this. Because I was just told, put that 0 there, and now I understand, I'm not just putting it there because that's the rule. It's really, I'm in the tens place. Yes?
Yes.
All right, next step. Who has not helped me so far? Ethan Dang, next step.
times 60.
40 times 60 is what he said. And what am I gonna get?
2,400.
2,400. So I need to put that here. It's 2,400, but really these place values were already taken care of, so I don't need to put a 0 there. If there was nothing there, obviously I need to put it there, but at this point it's already filled in for me. That place value house, that bedroom is already filled up. So now, Jordan, what do I do? Add them together. So what am I gonna get? 2 plus 0 is
2.
6 plus 8 is, so what do I do? I'm gonna regroup the 1 because it's really another group of the next place value, and my 4 is gonna go under here. 4 plus 1, 2 plus,
2.
so I'm still going to get the same answer, but now we understand why these work and we're using the correct verbiage, yes? All right, give yourself some snaps.